Hi, Beth. I'm reading your question and I started to write a response and realized that a screencast would be much better. So I'm going to go into Flipgrid and I will go to My Grids. As an instructor, all of your grids would show up here. You don't see this from the student point of view, so you'll have to create your class here. So I'm going to go to our class for the Online Teaching Institute, and I'll go to Introductions, which is the grid. And here I will go to Share Topics. And under shared topics, there's a place where you can copy the embed code. So I'll copy the embed code, and then I go to Blackboard, and I'm going to do that. And I would go into the week I wanted to do it. So for this class, I went into Welcome Week 1. And then I would go to, if I was grading it, it would be an assignment, or I would build content. So I would build content here, and I would put in, I believe I did it as, you could do it as a blank page or an item. I usually select item, and then I would write in Flipgrid introduction. And here I would type the instructions. And then I go over to where it says HTML, and I go there, and you go, ooh, this looks funky. And I usually select enter, and then I'm on a Mac. However you do your pasting, I do Control V, and then I do update. And it looks like, oh, what in the world did I just create? But it's really there. And then I do submit. And then when I scroll down, you get the interactive video and how that looks. So I hope that this answers your question. And if others of you have questions, please let us know. And I am so excited to be learning with you this summer. Thanks for the question, Beth. Bye.